Hey Alana, Daddy's got to tell ya. Peekaboo.
You know Daddy plays peekaboo with you, right, baby? Oh, hello. My name is Yuri.
And I'm the Darker Lord, Markov, Yuri's husband. Today, my wife and I are going to talk about the peeing on grass sound effect from Suki Strawberry. It's from a video called Clara's Wet Walk Gaga Amarashi #1. Do not watch if you don't like this.
It was uploaded on March 16, 2024. The sound length is 019 to 026.
The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is only used when we... Ooh!
We need to use the bathroom, same goes with the baby.
Yeah, we have to test the peeing on ground sound effect. Let's go outside.
Yeah, good idea, darling.
Honey, you keep an eye on the baby. We're gonna pee on the grass and behind the bushes by testing Suki Strawberry's peeing on grass sound effect.
Splendid idea, darling. Let's do it. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What a relief.
Babe, doesn't it feel so good to pee in the grass and behind the bushes?
Yeah, so does the baby. She's probably happy about Suki Strawberry's peeing on grass sound effect.
Yeah, and I have to change her diaper as well. But anyways, remember kids, when you have to pee, just use this sound.
The sound effect starts at 019 and ends at 026. Make sure the lo-fi music is removed, okay?